Cuddles and Giggles yes Tim and Lala no? What? Heck no. More like Tim and Lala yes Cuddles and Giggles no. Oh my god. This user sucks. This user likes vor, happy tree friends, inflation, astrology, emoji cat heat, blueberry inflation, Donald Duck and Goofy yes Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse no, furry heat, and Rule 34. That is disgusting. This user hates Junior on the Job, Thomas and Friends, Consector, VeggieTales, Cars, Alphabet Lore, BFDI, Inanimate Insanity, Bubblegum Videos, Numberblocks, Tommy Lee, Number Lore, Raller, Shape Lore, Bluey, Blue's Clues, Sprunky, Dandy's World, and SpongeBob SquarePants. I dislike his videos who saluted and ranted for no reason. This user shows people who inflation arts. Which makes me vomit my internal organs out. This user makes blueberry inflation arts and I throw up. Do you know who likes this user? Nobody. Do you know who hates this user? Every freaking one. We all hope this user gets terminated soon. So Cuddles and Giggles yes Tim and Lala no, and so does Sophia Wendy Tunes. Taskin Studio is way better than Cuddles and Giggles yes Tim and Lala no, end of freaking rant.